Are you tired of watching others make money online while you're stuck wondering where to even start? Imagine finally breaking free from confusion and stepping into a proven path that shows you how to earn income using nothing but free traffic strategies in 2025. This video is designed especially for beginners who want to build their first dollar online without spending on ads or complicated tools. Stick with me until the end because I'll reveal methods you can put into action today. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel right now so you never miss new step-by-step guides that can change your financial future. 1. Content creation on TikTok. TikTok is one of the fastest growing platforms in 2025, and beginners can use it to make money without any upfront cost. By creating short, engaging videos that provide value, entertainment, or information, you can attract a loyal audience. The secret is consistency, because TikTok rewards creators who post regularly with more exposure. Once you build an audience, you can promote affiliate products, your own digital content, or even simple services. TikTok's algorithm loves authentic and creative content, so you don't need to be perfect, just relatable. 2. Affiliate marketing with free blogs. Affiliate marketing is still one of the easiest ways for beginners to earn online, especially with free blogs. Platforms like Medium or Blogger let you start publishing content without paying for hosting. All you need is to write helpful articles that answer questions people are already searching for. Once your blog gains traction, you can include affiliate links to products or services relevant to your niche. Every time someone clicks your link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. Free traffic comes from optimizing your blog posts with keywords that attract search engine visitors. 3. YouTube without showing your face. YouTube is not just for influencers or people comfortable on camera. Beginners can create faceless YouTube channels. With free tools like Canva, Pexels, and screen recorders, you can make valuable videos without ever showing your face. For example, tutorials, list-style videos, or compilation content attract millions of views. The key is to focus on topics people are already searching for, like reviews, how-to guides, or trending news. Once your channel grows, YouTube pays you ad revenue, and you can add affiliate links in your descriptions. 4. Social media groups and communities. Facebook groups, Reddit threads, and Discord communities are hidden gold mines for beginners seeking free traffic. These online spaces are filled with people who share similar interests and are actively searching for solutions. By joining these groups and offering valuable insights, you can position yourself as a trusted voice. Over time, people naturally become curious about what else you offer and click on your links. The key is not to spam, but to genuinely help, as authenticity builds long-term trust. 5. Pinterest marketing for beginners. Pinterest continues to be a secret powerhouse for free traffic in 2025, and beginners can take advantage of it. Unlike most platforms, Pinterest is a visual search engine where pins can go viral months after posting. By creating eye-catching pins linked to blogs, YouTube videos, or affiliate offers, you can funnel steady traffic to your content. The trick is using keywords and pin descriptions so your content ranks in searches. Beginners can use free design tools like Canva to create professional-looking pins without cost. 6. Email marketing with free tools. Building an email list may sound advanced, but beginners can start free using tools like MailChimp or ConvertKit's free plans. By offering a simple freebie, like an ebook, checklist, or guide, you can collect emails from people genuinely interested in your niche. Once they subscribe, you can send valuable tips, resources, and product recommendations directly to their inbox. Free traffic flows because these are people who already want to hear from you. An email list is powerful since you own it and don't rely on algorithms. 7. Free traffic from Quora and T&A sites. Quora, Reddit, and other Q&A sites are excellent for beginners looking to generate free traffic. People visit these platforms daily to find answers, and you can provide value by sharing detailed responses. When your answers include links to helpful content, readers naturally click through to learn more. The key is writing thorough, trustworthy answers instead of spammy ones. Quora in particular rewards long-form responses with higher visibility, meaning more eyes on your content. Beginners can focus on their niche to stand out quickly. 8. Selling digital products with free platforms. Beginners often think selling products requires big investments, but digital goods can be sold entirely with free platforms. For example, you can create ebooks, templates, or guides using Google Docs and Canva. Then sell them through Gumroad or Payhip without upfront costs. Free traffic comes from sharing your products on social media, blogs, or even communities. Since digital products don't require shipping, they can scale infinitely. 9. Leveraging SEO for long-term traffic. Search engine optimization, or search engine optimization, is the backbone of free traffic strategies in 2025. Beginners can learn basic search engine optimization to rank content on Google and attract visitors for free. By researching keywords and optimizing blog posts, videos, or product pages, your content can appear at the top of search results. Once ranked, your content works as a traffic magnet around the clock without ongoing effort. Search engine optimization is powerful because people searching are already motivated to buy or learn. Beginners should focus on low-competition keywords to start gaining traction. 10. Leveraging free ad tools for growth. Artificial intelligence has opened new opportunities in 2025, and beginners can harness free ad tools to grow online. Platforms like ChatGPT, Canva AI, and free video editors allow you to create content faster than ever before. Instead of spending hours brainstorming, AI can help you generate scripts, ideas, and designs in minutes. This gives beginners a huge advantage when competing with experienced creators. Free traffic comes as you publish more content consistently across multiple platforms. So there you have it, 10 beginner-friendly strategies to make money online in 2025 using nothing but free traffic. Whether you start with TikTok, a blog, or faceless YouTube videos, the opportunities are endless if you commit to building step by step. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight, but the sooner you start, the faster results will come. If you enjoyed this video and want more powerful tips to grow your online income, make sure to hit that subscribe button right now so you never miss out. Together, we're building a community of people who are ready to break free and create financial independence, and I want you to be a part of it.